Good morning, everybody. Thank you for tuning in to another Facebook Live session. I'm Colleen, and this Facebook Live session is brought to you by Princess Dental Staffing. And today's topic is good skills to include on a resume for a dental hygienist. Okay, so what are some good skills to include on a resume for a dental hygienist? Well, first, I want to take a step back and talk about the difference between hard skills and soft skills. You might have heard these terms before, hard skills and soft skills. So hard skills, sometimes they're called technical skills. They're basically skills that are technical in nature, that are uh, they're easily tested from person to person, and they are things that are a little bit more on the tangible side. So, for example, computer skills, typing skills, um, those sorts of things. Whereas soft skills are a little bit harder to test, and um, they tend to be a little bit more personality based. So, for example, your customer service skills, your communication skills, things of that nature. So that's kind of the difference between hard and soft skills. Sometimes you come across a skill that can fit into either or category. For example, being detail oriented. That's pretty easily tested, but it's also sort of part of your personality. So sometimes you'll come across skills that are kind of in the in-between area, but more often than not, most skills are going to be categorized as either hard or soft skills. So when it comes to a dental hygienist resume, it's a dental hygienist is a position that definitely has a technical aspect to it, so technical and hard skills, but it's also very service based, which means there's going to be a lot of soft skills that are needed for this position as well. So when you're writing your resume, make sure you have a good balance of your hard and your soft skills mentioned in your resume. Okay, so with that in mind, what kind of skills should we be using on a dental hygienist resume? Well, so for the hard skills, you would probably want to mention your computer skills, your experience with different softwares, different applications, different EMR systems, those sorts of things. HIPAA, your knowledge of HIPAA, that is also a technical skill, okay, or federal regulations, state regulations, that sort of thing. So those are your technical skills, the different skills that you've gained and experience you've gained with different types of equipment associated with your profession. Those are all technical skills, all very good to include on your resume. So on the soft skills side, you might want to talk a little bit more about your customer service skills, your chairside manner, and you might want to talk a little bit about being organized or detail oriented or things of that nature. So those are some very good skills to include on the soft skill side. Also, maybe you might want to get into if you're a compassionate person or if you have a passion for this industry. So those sorts of things, okay? And if you get stuck, there are a lot of different good skills that would be good to include on a dental hygienist resume, but if you get stuck, always, always, always read the job posting. The job posting is a great tool to figure out how to structure your resume because it includes all of the information that a potential employer is looking for. And that's really what a resume is, isn't it? It's a personal advertisement for your skills and your knowledge and your abilities. So if you read the job posting, you'll see what the employer is really interested in learning about you as a person, as an potential employee. So if you read that and you see all these different skills that they have listed, both hard skills and soft skills, make sure that you're using those not just in the skills section of your resume, but in the professional summary, in your work history, in all those different areas. Okay, so I hope that gave you some insight into the types of skills to be included on your resume as a dental hygienist. Again, I'm Colleen. Thanks for tuning in and join us for the next one. Okay, and if you have any other skills that you think would be great to include on a resume, go ahead and comment them below. All right, thanks very much, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.